Hello everyone, do you know why the fish soup at restaurants tastes so good? Today, I'm going to share with you the correct way to make crucian carp soup. The broth will be rich, fragrant and milky white, and you won't find a single fish bone in it. First, we prepare 2 fresh crucian carps. Start by using a knife to scrape off the slime from the surface of the fish. This slime is the main source of the fishy smell. After scraping, rinse the fish thoroughly under running water. Be sure to thoroughly clean out the blood clots and black membrane inside the fish belly, otherwise the fish soup will have a strong fishy taste. Take the cleaned crucian carp and add an appropriate amount of ginger slices and scallions. Squeeze out the juice from the scallions and ginger. Rub the fish with the scallion and ginger mixture. This helps remove the fishy smell and boosts aroma. No need for cooking wine. Then put the scallions and ginger into the fish belly and set it aside to marinate for 10 minutes. Prepare a piece of soft tofu and cut it into thick slices. Then cut it again into small cubes. After cutting, place the tofu pieces on a plate for later use. Prepare a handful of wakame seaweed, put it in a bowl and add an appropriate amount of warm water to soak and rehydrate it. It only takes 2 minutes to soak. This wakame seaweed is delicious and rich in calcium, so it's good to let children eat a little of it from time to time. Then cut the wakame into small pieces. After cutting, place it on a plate for later use. Prepare a handful of cleaned seafood mushrooms, cut them into small sections, and place them on a plate for later use. Prepare 10 grams of fresh ginger and slice it. Take 2 scallions and cut them into sections. Boil water in a pot in advance and add a spoonful of salt. Then blanch the tofu in the boiling water. After it comes to a boil, cook for 1 minute. This helps remove the beanie taste from the tofu. With this step, the fish soup won't have that beanie flavor. Once it's done, take the tofu out. Add a little oil to the pot. Then add the marinated crucian carp. First, pan fry the crucian carp until it holds its shape. Gently rotate the pan to ensure even heating. Fry for about 1 minute until the fish turns golden, then flip it over and fry the other side until both sides are golden brown. Pan frying the crucian carp effectively removes any fishy smell, and the resulting fish soup will be milky white and fragrant. After both sides are golden brown, use a spatula to break the crucian carp into pieces. Friends, if you've watched the video up to this point and found it helpful, please give it a like and share it. Thank you all for your support. After breaking up the fish, stir fry it for another 30 seconds to fully release the fresh aroma of the crucian carp. Then add ginger slices and scallions and stir fry them a few times. Next, pour in a bit more boiling water. When making fish soup, it's important to use boiling water. Only then will the soup turn out rich, white, and fragrant. Then turn the heat up to high and cook for 10 minutes to make the broth turn white. Use a spoon to skim off the foam from the surface. This is all fat, and once it's removed, the fish soup won't taste greasy. Time's up. Take a look. Our fish soup is already very rich and white. We didn't add anything extra, and all the nutrients from the fish have been infused into the soup. Now scoop out the fish meat and bones. Don't throw these away. They can be used to feed your house cats. Then use a fine strainer or cheesecloth to filter the fish soup so there won't be any fish bones left. This way, it's safe and reassuring for both the elderly and children to eat. Pour the soup back into the pot. Then add the seafood mushrooms, tofu, and wakame seaweed. Bring it to a boil over high heat. Add a spoonful of salt and an appropriate amount of ground pepper. No other seasonings are needed. The ingredients themselves are already very fresh and flavorful. Stir well and cook for another 3 minutes. Finally, add some pre-soaked goji berries and chopped green onions. Alright, turn off the heat and transfer it to a large bowl. A delicious crucian carp tofu soup is ready. This fish soup is truly fresh and tasty, and there are no fish bones. With the addition of seafood mushrooms and wakame, it's especially nutritious. If you like it, be sure to save the recipe and give it a try.